Well, hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys. So we finally get the first look at the first item for the AIA Beauty Bundle October-November box. So we now know what brand it's being featured with. We see the first item. So I'm excited about this, y'all. So if you're excited about it, go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some new beauty releases. Well, thank you so much, Mimi Wolfer. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I apologize, honey. Anyways, Mimi says, hey girl, hope all is well. Well, Mimi, honey, we're doing good. We're safe, we're here, we're breathing, we're thinking positive. And Mimi, honey, thank you so much for having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink, but it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this madness again. This is the October-November AIA Beauty Bundle Box. If you don't know what they are, it is the American Influencer Awards Beauty Bundle Box. And what I like about this is it's $34. It is a bi-monthly box, so you will get it every 2 months. You will get 5 to 6 full-sized items worth over $100, and it always features an influencer-owned beauty brand. It could be skincare, makeup, hair care, anything beauty, guys, anything beauty related. So, guys, here is what we seen yesterday. This was the reveal of the box. We couldn't tell what it is, and I love how they do this because once they start doing this, they kind of reveal everything kind of fast, like everything, like one item will get revealed the next day after this, and then the next day, and then the next day. So it's kind of exciting. And I really do like this box because it does support creators. I really do like that. So we now know, here's the box, guys. So we now know this box is going to be featuring Give Them La La Beauty. Now the owner, now that is Lala Kent. She is a model. She did, I think she appeared on the Vanderpump Rules and stuff like that, but she is a model. Now I don't know a whole lot about her, but I haven't heard about this brand, so I'm excited to see, what they got. So I did have a chance to go over there and look on their website. I seen cream lipsticks, matte lipsticks, glosses. I also seen eyeshadow palettes, which are new, I guess, to their brand, as well as bronzers. So we know that one of the eyeshadow palettes is going to be in there. Exactly which one, I don't know, because they're all shaped the same. But here are all the eyeshadow palettes. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So we don't know exactly which palette it's going to be. That's going to be a surprise. That's probably going to be the last thing revealed, that or the bag. So we do see that one of the lipsticks has been revealed. Now, I have looked all the way through there. Guys, this packaging kind of looks like, it does look like Manny MUA's packaging or else Lady Gaga's packaging. But I love the packaging. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It looks luxe. But now this has got a white cap with clear packaging, and it looks like a red shade. So the only one I could find for that was these. And I believe this is going to be a lip gloss. Now I could be wrong about that, guys. These are the only ones with the white caps that I've seen, is all these right here. And what this is a bundle of mixed formulas. Like some of them are mattes, some of them are their creams, and some of them are glosses. Hey y'all, it's Editing Manda here. So what I thought was going to happen did happen. Before I got this edited and put up, they did reveal another lippy. So here it is, guys. The second one has been revealed. Now again, I think all 4 of these are going to be lippies. And the only ones in this packaging on that site that I could find was a bundle. And it was that bundle that I showed. I'll show it to you right here. Now this is a bundle, a mixed bundle of their formulas. They have got mattes, they've got lip glosses, they have got lip creams. So I'm excited to see which is which on here. And again, guys, I think we've solved it. I think all 4 of these are going to be lippies. And I can't wait to see what the eyeshadow palette's going to be. What do y'all think it's going to be? And here's what I think. I think all 4 of those items right there are going to be lippies. And of course the eyeshadow palette and then the bag. So guys, let me know what you think about this revealed item. And what do you think the rest of it's going to be? And have you tried anything from this brand? Let us all know down in the comments section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, AIA is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked to my last video. Well, thank you so much, Chelsea Troxel. Chelsea says, hey, Mandy, I haven't put on makeup for the last few weeks. Here's hoping you and me get back in the swing soon. Chelsea, honey, yes, that is what I want to do. I need to feel normal. I need to get up, put on my makeup. It just helps me. My days go by a lot better. So that is exactly right, honey. I'm with you on that. And Chelsea, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I'll also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.